Imagine a war scene where on one side are the world's most powerful military powers, America and Israel. They have state-of-the-art fighter jets, missiles worth billions of dollars, and the world's most advanced air defense system. But the surprising thing is, standing in front of this huge power is a weapon that costs less than an ordinary car. And that small weapon is slowly starting to change the equation of modern warfare. Many military analysts are now saying, because of this drone, Iran has developed a war strategy where the opponent can be weakened not with force, but with intelligence and economic pressure. Just think, a missile worth billions of dollars has to be used to destroy a drone that costs only a few $1,000s. So it is easy to imagine how much the war's calculations can change, and at the center of this mystery is a strange weapon of Iran, the Shahed-136 Kamikaze drone. This drone is often called a suicide drone or loitering munition because it does not strike directly like a normal missile. Rather, it hovers in the sky for a long time, looking for a target, like a bird of prey hunting for prey. And when the right moment comes, the drone suddenly dives down and destroys the target with an explosion. Another strange feature of this drone is its sound. While flying in the sky, the sound of its engine sounds like a scooter. For this reason, it is often called flying scooter. From a technical point of view, this drone is about 3.5 meters long and has a wingspan of about 3 meters. The entire drone weighs about 220 kilograms. It has an explosive warhead in front of it, which can weigh from 30 to 50 kilograms. The drone is powered by a small two-stroke gasoline engine, which can fly at a speed of about 200 kilometers per hour. Inside it is a small computer system which controls the entire flight. The drone usually determines its route using a GPS system, and if the GPS does not work, it uses an inertial navigation system to keep its course. These drones usually do not attack alone. Sometimes 10, 50, or even 100 drones are sent into the sky at once. They do not all hit the same place at once, but choose different targets. This strategy is often called a drone swarm attack. And here begins the biggest problem for defense systems. Because while a drone costs several $1,000s, it often requires a missile that costs hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars to destroy it. For example, Israel's Iron Dome system's Tamir missile, or America's Patriot missile. In other words, to destroy a cheap drone, you often have to use a much more expensive weapon. And when hundreds of drones attack together, then the defense system also becomes overwhelmed. That is why many military experts believe that Shahed-136 is not just a drone. Rather, it is a symbol of a new reality of modern warfare. A reality where a small drone worth only a few $1,000s is fighting against weapons worth billions of dollars. And a clear indication of what future wars will be like may be hidden